All right, so that's how you write your numbers in ascending order from smallest to biggest. We were using the method of
there's no screen.
there is no screen.
Yes.
All right.
There is
Yeah,
as
there
Is it
is.
fine?
Sir.
It's
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah, it's fine now.
so it's not. I don't have a screen.
Yeah, now it's fine.
It's okay.
Yes, now it's fine. Now it's fine. Thank you.
Yeah, now it's
There are some of them that just joining for making fun.
Let's mute the mic, please. Otherwise, I will mute your mic. Mute your mic. Let's mute the mic so that it can work. When you talk, we are disturbing. Mute your mic. Let's mute the mics. Let's mute the mic, please. Let's mute the mic. There's someone sharing the screen now. Let's mute that mic. All right. Let's continue. There is someone to mute your mic if you want to talk. Let's mute the mic, please. Who is this one?
they don't listen, sir.
All right, I have removed the person. No, I told you if you don't listen, I will remove you from the meeting. All right. So the next question now we are saying fill in with less than or greater than or equal to make the statement true. So we are saying 2 quarters, we are comparing with 8 twelfths. 2 quarters, we are comparing with 8 twelfths. So I told you a method which is easy of just cross multiplying and you check which one is bigger than the other one. How do you cross multiply? You cross multiply 2 times 12, you get the answer of 24.
24.
Then 4 times 8, you get an answer of what?
32.
32. So 2 twelfths is the same, 2 quarters is the same as 24. And also it's 24 over 36. It's 24 divided by 36. Where is 36 coming from? You multiply also those two numbers which are at the bottom to get your denominator. So it's 32 over 36. So you are now comparing those two fractions. Now they have the same denominator. You can compare which one is bigger, 32 or 24. You are only comparing the numerators. So you find out 32 is bigger, which means that 8/12 is what? It's bigger. So you just cross multiply those two numbers. You see the left-hand side, you are getting 24. And then on the right-hand side, you are getting 32. Which number is bigger between 24 and 32? It's 32. So that's how. Hello? So your answer is 8/12 is bigger. Then for number 2.31, if you are adding all numbers, mixed fractions, we have 9 and 1/5 plus 5 and 2 quarters. So first, you add the whole numbers together. For example, is equals to 9 plus 5. These are all numbers. Then now you add the fractions plus 1/5 plus 2/5. Then you add the fractions on their own. which is equals to, what is 9 plus 5? 9 plus 5 is 14.
14.
Plus. Then now 1/5 and 2/5, you only add the numerators. You only add the numerators since the denominators are the same. You only add you don't add the denominators. So what is 1 plus 2? 1 plus 2 give you comes 3/5. Then you write it in simplified form, which is equals to, in simplified form, 14 and 3/5. 14 and 3/5. That's how you solve mixed fractions. First, you add the whole numbers together, then you add the fractions together. You only add the numerators of the fractions if the denominators are the same. And there are other learners who write mixed numbers like this, 14 3/5 like this. You can't write like this. This is not a proper way. Make sure you write your whole number bigger than the fraction. 14, it's a big whole number. Then the 3/5 like this. You don't write 143 like this, then you say over 5, which is wrong. So make sure you write your mixed fractions in the correct way when you are writing your mixed fractions. Then the next question, which you are now attempting, it's off. You are given 1 of 60. I told you whenever you are given off, you write 1/4 off. It means you are multiplying. Of 60, which means it's equals to 60 over 1. 60 is a whole number. 60 as a fraction, it's 60 over 1 as a fraction, because 60 is a whole number. So 1/4 of 60 you are multiplying. So you multiply the numerator times the numerator. 1 times 60, you get 60. 4 times 1, just 4. So what is 60 divided by 4? Now you use either short method or you can use your mental maths to get the answer. So 4 goes into 6 how many times? 4 goes into 6, 1. Write your 1. Remainder 2. 1 remainder 2. Then 4 goes into 20 how many times? 5 times. So the answer is 15. The answer is 15 using short division. Or if you want, you are also allowed to use short division, long division, where you are dividing 60 by 4. Then you say 4 goes into 6, how many times? It's 1. What is 1 times 4? That's 4. Then you subtract. 6 minus 2 minus 4, that's 2. You bring down the 0. Then you say 4 goes into 20. How many times? 4 goes into 20, 5 times. What is 5 times? Then 5 times 4 is 20. Then you subtract. Remainder is just 0. That is the answer, which is the same. Whether you use the short method or the long method, you still get the same what? Answer. Let's go to number 3, number 2.4. Solve the following problems. Show all your working. So 2.41, we are given that in 2022, Mogapeng Primary School sold 6,416 cone ice cream at a district athletics event. In 2013, in 2023, they managed to sell 5,207. Calculate the total number of ice creams they sold in 2022 and 2023. Is it an addition problem or a subtraction problem?
Addition.
The key word there is total. Whenever they say total, it means add. If they say difference, then you know they want you to subtract. So the key word there was calculate the what? The total. Whenever you see the word total, it means addition. Whenever they say difference, then you use subtraction. So let's add together, class. We are going to add 6,416 plus 5,207. 5,207. So when you add, you use your vertical column method, where you group your thousands on their own. These are your hundreds, tens, and units. You must not forget. Make sure your numbers are straight vertical. They are not in zigzag format. So you add your numbers in that format, vertical column method. All right. So deleted, sorry, 6,416 plus 5,207. So we are adding now. So what is 6 plus 3? We get 13. 3 carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 0 plus 2. 4 plus 2?
6.
6. And then 6 plus 5?
11.
That's 11. So that number in words is 11,623. So those were the total number of ice creams that were sold in the year 2022 and
2023. 623.
Yes. So let's move to the next question. How many ice creams they ran short of to equal the number of ice creams they sold in 2022? For the ice creams which were sold in 2022, you want to see how much was short, which means they ran short, which means you are looking for a difference. So this is a subtraction word problem. So now we are calculating the difference of those two numbers. So what are we subtracting? 6,416. 6,416. Then subtract 5,207.
207.
5,207. Then we subtract. Then can 6 subtract 7?
No.
Can 6 subtract? So we borrow from there.
The
1. The 1 becomes a 0. Then the 6 becomes 16.
7.
9. 16 minus 7, that's 9.
9.
0 minus 0,
9.
0.
0.
4 minus 2,
2.
5.
1.
2.
1.
Yeah, so the 1,209 ice creams, which were ran short. Yes.
Yes.
And when you send the video link, make sure that you practice on your own. You go through the video again. I will share the link on the group. Okay.
All right.
Yes.
Let's go to question number 2.413. It's saying fill in the missing numbers in the flow diagram. Yes. So which means we want to see which number are we going to fill in this flow diagram. In other words, 1 times plus must give me 4.
4.
1 times plus
Must give you 4.
Yes. So which number am I supposed to put inside? 4 times.
3
plus 1.
3
Plus 1.
And
3
3 plus 1.
2 plus 1. It's working, isn't it?
3 plus 1. Yes.
3 plus 1. And remember, times 3 plus 1 must work for all the numbers. For example, 1
Yes, it should
times
7 for everything.
plus 1 is giving you
It's 4.
4.
It's 4
2 times 3 plus 1. It gives you
plus
7.
Plus
1.
1 equals
Then
10.
Yes, yes,
2
yes.
times 3 plus 1, it gives you
Plus
what?
1.
10.
10.
Times 3 plus 1 is the same as 13. 150.
50.
And the answers, make sure that you verify the answers, these answers, if they are correct. Because
Yes.
sometimes it might only work for the
Yes.
first number sentence, but it fails to work for the other number sentences. So make sure that the numbers that you put there, they work for all the given numbers. Okay.
Yes.
Number 3.1. The number of sides. When you are calculating the number of sides for that object, which means you are looking for these are the sides. So how many sides are you seeing there?
6.
6.
7.
6.
6 sides. Yes, it's 6 sides. So we are counting the number of sides. 6 sides, which means all the sides are 6. This is the last one, 6 sides. So what is the name of that 2D shape? Yes?
Hexagon.
Hexagon. Yes.
Yes.
Hexagon.
All right. So now we are looking at that 3D shape which is there. Name the object which you are seeing. What is that 3D object which you are seeing there?
Pentagonal prism. Pentagonal prism.
Yes. That's the reason is because the base and the top are the same, and
Pentagon.
sides are connected by a rectangle. So it's a pentagonal prism.
Yes. 5 sides.
Let's mute the mic, please. Let's mute the mic. If you are done talking, just mute your mic so that you don't disturb others who want to ask. Yes.
Is this the question paper you
I can't hear you. Please check your mic.
It's broken, sir.
I
I can't hear.
This the question paper you sent for the grade 5 method.
Yes, it is. It is.
Oh, so this question paper is for grade 5s.
There is the one which is coming now for grade 6 and 7.
Or this one is just for practicing.
Yes, some questions are both applying for both grades 5, 6, and 7.
Okay.
Also learn at the same time. For example, addition and subtraction is not only for grade 5. All the grades are doing addition and subtraction.
Like 6 and 7.
Yes.
All the grades. So let's do the number 3.22.
3, 7.
How
Number
many?
of faces. 7. 8 faces.
So first you have
7.
5 rectangles plus 2 pentagons. So 5 side rectangles plus 2 pentagons, 5 plus 2, it's 7.
Yes, 7.
All right. Start the question. Which question? It's a grade 5 question. You can see it in grade 6. You can also see it in grade 7. That's why I'm saying there is no need for you to worry because questions, they are just similar here. For area, I've been teaching all the grades area, and now they are asking you to calculate the perimeter. For 7s, I was teaching them perimeter, so which means some questions, they apply to all across the board of the grades. So
Okay.
let's calculate what is the perimeter here. So first of all, you must know the formula for perimeter. If you are given a rectangle, the formula for perimeter of a rectangle, it tells us that if you want the perimeter of a rectangle, it's 2 times the length plus the width or the breadth. So which means first I need to know what is my length. I count the number of boxes throughout. So I have to count the number of boxes, which is 1, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
18,
then
14.
the last one, 14. So my length, you calculate, you indicate that the answer is going to be 2 times bracket. The length is 14 plus the width of that rectangle. You come again, you check how many boxes going upwards. Others already know. 2,
9,
4, 5,
5,
9,
6, 7, 8, 9.
9.
7.
The one that is keeping
9.
on saying 6, 7, I will remove you from the group. Now, and you never attend classes again. So stop your jobs. Now we are doing business, so be serious. Okay. So we said the units for the width is 9. It's 9. It's 9. So now you are adding. What is 2 times? The length plus the width. What is 14 plus 9? 14 plus 9?
23.
23.
23.
Yes. Which is 18.
23.
You get 23. You put your 23. Then what is 23 times 2? What is 23 times 2?
46.
46.
So your answer, your perimeter is going to be 46
Square
46.
units.
No. Perimeter, we said we don't measure it in square units, but in what? Units. And you have been told
Unit.
that one unit or each block is what? 1 centimeter. So which means instead of writing 46 units, you are writing 46 what?
Square units.
Not square unit, not area. It's not area. I told you in class. Perimeter
Centimeter.
in centimeter. Centimeter.
Yes.
But now, if you want the area of the rectangle, that's when you write in square centimeters. So we are going to say area of a rectangle. The area of a rectangle is equals to the length times the width. So our length was 14 times what? 9.
the
What?
width,
9 times 4, that's 36. That's 6. Then you carry what?
1, 3,
You carry a 3. Then 9 times 3, 9. Plus 3, plus 3, 12. Yeah. So the answer will be 126 square
centimeter,
units. Square centimeter.
Centimeter.
All right. Let's move
Meter.
on to number 4. All the grade 5, grade 6, 5 and 6, they are doing
Grade
time.
7.
Time is not in grade 7 only, but so the grade 5 and 6 are being catered for now regarding time. They are all doing time only in the grade 7. That's where time is no longer applying because it's now for babies. Grade 5 and grade 6.
Hey.
Yes.
Yes, it's for,
But
it's for primary.
yes,
All right. What is the time? What is the time in the clock in 24-hour format?
11, that's 2.
12
first-
colon.
You must check the hour end. Hour end, I told you, it's
12
The short
colon.
one.
the short one. This is the hour end, the short one. Then the minute
Yes,
end
the short one.
is
The long one.
The one,
The long
which-
one.
the thinner one, we said is the second. Yeah.
Second hand.
12 colon 20.
So can you zoom some more? See properly. Yeah.
Okay.
Ah.
Can you see?
20%.
Yeah.
All right. So in 24-hour, either the time,
I said it 12.
We can write in 24 hour, you can write it as 12, 20,
colon 20.
then 30, which means 30 seconds have passed. It's
Yes.
36. Then 20 minutes have passed. And then it's after 12. So this will be 12 noon. 20 minutes and 5 seconds past 12 noon. Then this clock can be also in 24 hours. If it's in the morning, early in the morning, you can also write it as well, 00, which
Colon.
means 20 and the 30 seconds have passed. The reason why, or we were not told whether it's noon or afternoon. They did not tell
They said
us,
12-hour format.
but they did not tell us, is it in the morning or is it in the afternoon? If they say it's in the afternoon, then you choose this one. If it's
Yeah.
afternoon. They did not mention whether it's afternoon or it's morning. So you can also use this one for early morning. So both answers, I would mark them correct because the question did not specify whether they want the 24-hour format or 4.2. We are answering 4.2. For 4.1, they want it in 12-hour format, which means that clock which we wrote, it will be AM. So you write it as 12, 20, 30 AM.
Yeah, you made the
Yes.
mistake.
So you made a mistake.
30 instead of
Which is 12 for 20, then 30. So you
AM.
indicate PM. The one with AM, it will be early in the morning. So it will be 12 again, 20, and then you indicate 30 AM. That will be for number A. For 4.1, you indicate whether it's PM or it's AM. Whether you indicate it's PM or AM. So the one for AM is whereby in 24 hour, we change it to 00 if it's now 24 hour. So it's either in the morning or in the afternoon. So the grade 5 and the grade 6, they've learned there. Then distance, it applies all the grades from grade 5 to grade 7. Complete the following 2,458. That one was 2,458 meters. From the question paper, it was corrected. So 2,458 meters. How many kilometers? How many meters? So
2,000
2
kilometers.
458 meters.
And 2,000 kilometers.
meters. We know that 1 kilometer is how many meters? It's equals to 1,000
Meters.
Yes,
Meters.
So that will be the answer. So they are saying, circle the instrument you would use to measure the distance between two towns. Remember, you are measuring using two towns. Do you measure using a odometer or you measure using a meter stick? Suppose you want to measure the distance from Tanin to Nkowankowa, which one are you going to measure? Are you going to measure using an odometer or a meter stick? They measure the distance. Yes, so it will be which is correct. Then that was the last question for 4.4 for the question paper which I sent for the other grade. Then now we are moving on to the next question paper since we are left with just a few minutes. So let's start with those ones for the higher grade, which the senior students who were not assisted. So paper 1, which list consists of prime numbers only? So we said prime numbers are numbers that are having how many
1 and itself.
1
2.
and itself.
So prime numbers have only two factors, which are 1 and itself. So 35 is
And
not a prime
itself.
number. 27 is not a prime number, then it's out. 45 is not a prime
Yes.
number. It's out. So obviously, C was the only answer. In the number
Answer.
5 to the power 3, 5 is called a what? That is the base. Remember, 3 we said is an exponent.
Base. Yes.
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 So the grade
Yes.
5s,
Yes.
they may exit since your session is over. Then I can just polish with the grade 7. You are allowed, you are
Yes.
free to it, since what we are saying now is of a higher grade, but you may continue if you want to learn. Knowledge is just knowledge.
Yes.
Now,
Yes, some of us are.
we said 5 is the base, then the 3 is the what? Is the exponent.
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 So the answer there was A. 5 is the base.
It's a base.
Which
A.
of the following temperatures is the lowest? So the lowest temperature, you always take the one that is a negative. The lowest negative, it means the temperature. I showed you the number line in class, that when you are putting your integers, you always start from 0.
Yeah.
Then positive integers, 1, 2, 3, up to infinity. Then from the negative side, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So you find out, we said that if a number is negative, it means it's very cold, like in a freezer. Then if a number is very high, it's very hot, like or on a stove, the temperature will be very high. So the lowest one is where it's freezing. It's a negative temperature, which is highest was B. Then those are integers. If I'm to ask you 4 minus 5, 4 minus 5, we said a minus in the minus, it must give you a what?
Negative.
So it minus
A positive.
a positive. So it would be the same as 4 plus 5. Then the answer is what? What is 4 plus 5?
9.
9.
9.
So the
9.
answer expecting it's 9, which
9.
is, but that 9 is not just a 9. Remember, it's a positive 9.
It's positive 9. 9.
Then if we are to
9.
solve for 4 bracket 7 plus 5, we said 4 is the same as we are multiplying by bracket. It means you are multiplying plus 4 plus 7 plus 5 is 12. So what is 4 times 12?
48.
KG, let's drop it.
It's 48, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
They wanted you to use properties. Which property is correct in terms of distributive property, associative property, commutative property? So first you say we are going to use distributive property. You say 4 times 7. So 4 times 7, you write your answer. So it's going to be 4 times 7 plus that 4 times 5. So it will be plus 4 times 5. Remember, we said the answer there is 48. You can still verify the answer if you are correct. 4 times 7 is 20, isn't it?
Yes.
And then 4 times,
Yes.
times 7 is 28. Then 4 times 5, that's 20. If you still come back that. So which answer was correct? 4 times 7 plus, which is D.
D.
D is wrong here because the sign is supposed to be a plus. Yeah. It's
Plus. Yes.
supposed to be a.
Yes.
All right.
It will be wrong.
6 o'clock, we'll continue again tomorrow. We said our session is running from Monday to Thursday from 5 o'clock until 6. Until
Yes.
right.
It's at 1.5.
Yes, I will share the paper in the group. So that
Yes.
okay, thank you for attending. Let's stop here.
Thank you,
on-
service.
Yes.
Yes, thank you.
Isilethelelo lakho.
Bye bye.
Kuna
Thank you.
record
Mthunzini.
na makhesimani.
Bye.
Mthunzini.